Hello, this is a video from me. I just wanted to show you Canary Wharf, which is quite a busy place. Lots of towers around, business towers. There we go, very high here. Just wanted to show you this place. It looks very cool. There's the underground station there. Oh, there we go. There's a DLR train going up there. Looks quite cool. There we go, coming out of there. There's the water there. It looks quite good actually. Canary Wharf. We've got some news lines around here. There we go. It looks quite good. There you go. This is the Jubilee Park. Canada Wharf. Whoa! Big airplane coming out there and this big building. There's a little lake pond up there. Quite a small relaxing park in Canada Water here. No, not Canada Water, Canary Wharf. Looks quite good. There's this glass house. Also looks quite cool. There we go. There's some fountains. Wow. That looks really cool. I haven't been here at all. Wow. There's this sculpture over there. No idea what it is. So yeah, that's just showing you a very brief video of Canary Wharf. There you go. So like and subscribe. Bye.